In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can file your taxes for completely free for the upcoming tax season of 2024. I'm going to be showing you an app you guys definitely have not seen before that has a secret feature that you guys could go ahead and use to file your taxes for completely free. Now, keep in mind, the IRS does not allow e-filing yet. So essentially what you're going to be doing this for is to prep for tax season, to figure out exactly how much federal taxes due, as well as getting your 1099 and all of your tax forms compiled together, which you guys can then just take all this data and then transfer it to the IRS or your tax accountant and go ahead and have a very easy understanding of how much you owe the government for the last year. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is get on your phone, and you're going to want to go ahead and go to the first link in the description and download CashApp. Not a lot of people know this, but on CashApp, you can actually, if you go to the far left tab right here, you can see it says taxes, estimate your 2023 tax refund or how much you owe. CashApp has just recently launched their brand new feature, which will allow you to go ahead and fill out your taxes with them. And the best part is that you could make free money just by doing it. Not a lot of people know this, but CashApp actually has an invite bonus program. If you guys go ahead and sign up with my link down below, you will go ahead and get yourself a free $5 just for signing up, provided you go ahead and link a bank account and send someone else $5. Once you do that, you will be rewarded with a free $5 to your Cash App balance for doing literally nothing. As you guys can see, I have a bunch of people right here that have done it, which there is no reason why you shouldn't go ahead and do it for yourself. But back to Cash App taxes, essentially what you guys are going to do is you're going to click on the taxes button right here, and then that's going to redirect you to the Cash App taxes portal. It's not going to say resume filing for you. I've already been filing my taxes with Cash App, but what it's going to do is it's going to redirect you to an account sign up, which then you can go ahead and fill that all out. Once you guys go ahead and get that done, what you're going to do is that you're then going to sign up with your Cash App tax account, and you're going to go ahead and put in your password. And as you guys can see right here, I currently owe the IRS $3,600. What you guys will do when you go ahead and get into the portal is you're going to go ahead and fill all of this out. So you can see right here, I have my self-employment income. I have what's marked as both a business expense and a income expense. You can go ahead and fill all this out yourself. As you guys can go ahead and see right here, you can go ahead and fill out your Schedule C as well as a 1099 if you wish to, of all different kinds. Your partnership income, if you have shareholder income, sale of business property, you guys could go ahead and do. You could also go ahead and put in your W-2. So if you work a real job, you go ahead and put in your W-2 right here. So I'll go ahead and show that off for you guys. You would go ahead and put in your employee ID number. After that, it's going to redirect you to the income, where you're going to be able to go ahead and put in how much you made, as well as how much taxes were taken out, as well as your deductibles and how much your return could be based on what your deductions are. If you go ahead and view the summary here, you can see right here that I have a certain amount of taxable income as well as taxes owed. What's nice about Cash App is that they go ahead and take care of all of the math for you. I have all of my adjustments right here listed. I have my standard deductions, and then I have the taxes owed with my income tax and then my other taxes. And then as you guys can see, it's very easy to go ahead and put in all of your different tax information and fill it out with Cash App very, very simply. Once you guys are done, you're just going to scroll all the way to the bottom or click on the review tab, where you're just going to go ahead and click on review, which then it's going to redirect you to any issues you might have. So I'll just go ahead and fill this out. And then once you do that, as you guys can see, I can go ahead and download my tax forms right here. And then as you guys can see right here, I have my 1040, which I can then go ahead and submit to the IRS with obviously the check for however much money I owe them, which then I can go ahead and process and file for my own purposes. And Cash App took care of all of that for me for completely free. I didn't pay for any of this. Cash App just did it for me. So as you guys can see, there's no good reason not to go ahead and use Cash App to file your taxes for the upcoming year. And just to mention one more time, if you guys go ahead and download Cash App with my exclusive link down below, you will get a free $5 just for signing up and linking a bank account. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more methods just like this, you could go ahead and join my almost 40 members on my Patreon. And keep in mind, there's only about 100 limited slots, so you guys definitely want to go ahead and get in quick, which I go ahead and teach you all of the methods that school does not teach you. I teach you how to build credit. I teach you how to build a personal brand. I teach you how to build everything on your own, a $260,000 plus credit limit. I teach you how to never pay it back. I just recorded a video recently about how to get a free Hellcat with credit. And if we go to the collections here, I also have every single one of my methods listed. I have the Cash App glitch method. I have my free DoorDash methods. I have my instant refund methods. I have them all listed, as well as how I make 10K per month with YouTube. I have a specific outline, which I call the real way, on how to record videos, on how to do the method, on how to actually structure a YouTube channel, on how to do literally everything that you guys have been missing when it comes to making a fully functioning YouTube channel, which makes you and also makes me over 10K per month. Plus, the best part is that we are currently offering a 7-day free trial, which means that you guys can go ahead and sign up with that free trial and get access to everything shown for completely free. But with that all being said, guys, we are going to call this video here. But as always, thank you so much for watching and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.